So this is part 2 of page 4. This times this gives you 15p plus 10 minus 8p. And check this out on your calculator. Minus 2 times minus 3 is actually plus 6. Look for the like numbers. Regular number here, regular number here. P term here, P term here. 15 take away 8 is 7p plus 16. This gives us 8x plus 12. Okay, now here there's no number. So what you can do is you can put a minus 1 in there. And then you go minus 1 times x gives you minus x. And then minus 1 times minus 2. If you're not sure about your negative numbers, check it out on your calculator. Minus 1 times minus 2 on your calculator is plus 2. Then we've got our regular numbers and we've got our x terms. So 8 take away 1 is 7x plus 14. Okay, now here we've got a PQ term by itself, so really it's just one PQ. And here we've got another PQ term. If this was P squared Q, or if it was PT or something, these would not be like terms and you'd have to leave them separate. But they are like terms, and so I can say that's 3PQ. This is a straightforward one. Plus 3 and take away 4 is minus 1y. You can put the 1 in if it makes you feel better. Here we've got 6a and take away, that gives you 3. Oh, that's a mistake. 6a, the a is over here. So 6a plus a is 7a, and 5b take away 3b is 2b. Okay, again, if this was x cubed plus x to the power 4, then you couldn't add them together. Or if it was x to the 5, and x, they would not be like terms, but these are exactly the same type of thing. Okay, so I can say that's 2 of them. Here we've got x terms here and here. That's 3x plus 2y. So that's what I'm doing. So 3x here and here, and plus 2y. And here we've got, again, if that was t cubed and this was t squared and this was t squared, you could add those two together, but they're all the same type of thing. You've got 1t squared, so that's 3t squared. And here we've got a times a times a cubed, times by a times by a times by a to the power 3. And you can see that we just add the indices in this situation. So that's a to the power 6. And here we've got 3 times 4, okay? And we can multiply, and then we've got x squared times x, and we've got y times y cubed, which will give us 12 x to the power 3, y to the power 3. Okay, moving on to number 9, we've got 3d, take away d is 2d, and gives you 5e. 3 of something, take away 1 of those somethings, gives you 2 of those somethings. And we've got 3t, and we have take away gives you 5d. And here we've got 8tq. And in here, in this question, what you had to do was, they said which of these expressions in these boxes are equal to 4p. Okay, and I can see that this one is going to give me 2p plus 2p, multiplying out the bracket, and that does equal 4p. So that's a good one. This one is actually going to give me 2p squared, so that's no good. And this one gives me 5p, so that's no good. This one, these are not like terms, so you can't add them, so you just have to leave them separate. Here, that's obviously equal to 4p. So those are the two that are equal to 4p. Here we get this one times this one, gives me 4x plus 20. 3x, so 3x minus 18. And so that gives you 7x plus 2. This is 6x minus 3 minus 2x minus 2 times minus 4. Check it on your calculator, plus 4. And 6x take away 2x is 4x. That gives you just 1. And then finally, this one times this one gives you 10y plus 10. And again, it's easier to do this if you put a minus in here, minus 1. So minus 1 times that, and minus 1 times this is minus y minus 3. And that gives us 9y plus 7.